Howdy everybody, out again in this lovely old field. There's an old Roman road down there, out with the old Knox. Been out that far front motor, done a button, got this out, don't know what it is, it's out the hole, whatever it is. Give me a nice 16, 17. Let's have a look what we got. Ah, look at that. Lovely old muzzy ball. Unfired muzzy ball. Lovely. Moving on. Right then, I want to give a little tip on stuff. So, I've just found something. I haven't dug it yet, as you can see. And it's giving me... It's giving me... It would be a very nice signal. Pinpoint it. It's telling me it's there. However, if I click onto horseshoe mode, it's giving me minuses. I wouldn't normally dig that, but let's have a look, see what it is. Oh, hang on, I'm just going to turn up a sec. Now, this is what I was saying, so it's in there somewhere. And it's thinking, oh, that's a good signal. And if I click onto horseshoe, it's chucking negatives in, -1, -2. Now, if it's just chucking the one negative in, the chances are, yeah, I'll probably dig that just to be sure. But if it's chucking in like -1, 5, and then 4 and a 6, I won't even bother. However, because it's such in the sweet spot, I'm going to. And the horseshoe, it's only pinging back every now and again a negative. It's in that clump somewhere. Let's have a look. It's in here somewhere. There it is, I think. That's it. Yeah, look, it's just... I don't know what it is, but it's snapped off something. So it is working. I'll show you again when we get a better negative so you can see. Right, I'm going to try and help people with the problem they get with this, where it'll only ping on one stroke, but it won't ping on the other stroke. And it's really weak and it's a bit sporadic. Basically, it's the machine trying to do what you've asked it to do. So I've got my iron bias set to 3 in the F2 mode, so it's quite high. So what it's doing, you're swinging it over one side, it finds whatever the metal is initially, and then it realises, oh, hang on, there's ferrous in that. I need to do my thing and I need to switch it off. So it'll only catch it on one side but not the other, and then the signal will disappear, and that's the machine doing what it's supposed to do. So if I can replicate, because I found one, so there, it's only pinging on one side and it's not catching there, it's not catching it all the time. You're thinking, oh god, what's my machine doing? See, it's just a little bit, it's a little bit all over the place, and it's saying it's 21, sometimes a bit of a 19, but it's only catching it on, it's a really weird way. It's not going ding, 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 it's just catching it. So for them signals, because it could be a coin sat on its edge, yeah, it could be. All I do, full horse mode, look at that, -6, -5, -6, -7, turn it back off. I'm not even going to bother digging that, I'm just going to carry on, because it's giving me a -6, -7, -5. That's telling me whatever's under there, it's got a lot of ferrous in it. It's going to be iron, it's alloy of some sort into it, so it's not worth digging. That's why it's finding it on one stroke like it did then, but not on the other, because the machine is doing what you've asked it to do. It's picking up initially the nice metal, and then it's going, oh, hang on a minute, there's iron in there, and then it's ignoring it and switching it off. So if you get those really dodgy kind of broken signals when you're hovering over it, like I'm doing there, just quickly flick it to all metal, and you're getting all the deep negatives, and you don't want that, obviously, unless you're looking for iron, but I'm not. So I'll click it back, turn the horseshoe back off, and I'll just move on, find something else, and that's how it works. I just said a second ago about how the weak broken signals and then checking the negative on the Mind Lab will tell you. Well, then the other side of it, I haven't dug this up yet, it's down there somewhere. The other side of it is the loud constant number or numbers very close together, and it's loud. It's telling you there's something under here and it isn't crap. So I went over here. I don't know what that is. All metal. It's not giving me any negatives. Quick on the pinpointer. It's under there somewhere. It's saying it's deep. Change the frequency to a 10. It's not changing. This signal that I'm getting here is normally an old George Penny, that kind of 19 to 23 bounce. But it's a nice signal. So I'm going to dig that in a second and see what it is. Who knows? It's probably crap. It's probably a tin can, but we'll find out. Right, I've dug the hole. It's telling me it's out. It's over there. I can see it's already, to be honest, and it is modern. But it's an old key handle or key lock face. How the hell that has ended up in the middle of the field, in the middle of nowhere, I don't know. The other thing I wanted to say about the detector is, which I found out by accident, cover me all back up. When you're pinpointing, there's nothing on your screen like that, and you pinpoint, it'll just tell you whatever metal is underneath and then pinpoint it for you. Now, if you're getting one that's a 16, 17 or whatever, and you press the pinpointer, whatever number is on that screen, when you press your pinpointer, it will look for that underground. So if you're getting 15, 20, 22, 24, and you press it when the 15 is displayed, it's only going to look for 15. It won't look for the other ones. I found that by accident, but it's a worthy little tip. Anyway, carry on.